Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off notification on Messenger. So all you have to do now is open your messengers and go to the settings, and you can scroll down and try to search the notifications and sounds. You can click it or tap it. Here, to make it simple, you can try to turn this off by uncheck or untick this mute button for 24 hours maximum and mute it until a 13 past 31 tomorrow. Uh, or you can try to turn off one by one by communities, broadcast channel, friends, and this is the notification preferences that you can change or set your ringtone and customize the notification, or you can turn off or enter on vibrate on ring and so on. Feel free to try to adjust to configure your notification and sounds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.